after an episode. The Sinistrous trapped the Spider-Man and the Angry Birds. But other something is in up because the audio totally meteors or something the stranger habit. And now oh no, oh wait, he's coming. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming. Wait, is that oh. Oh no, the meter, guys, high red 1-0. Oh. Ouch. Wait. I really get this. Wait. What's that? Let's go on him. And now you gotta hold. You can't really hide it. And you can pooch. Yeah. Or you kind of a closer. Okay. Totally. Who drops meteor? Yeah. Who drops meteor? Okay. It can read it, and it can read this. Kill? Yes. I'm Gally in the turbulence. And the crowd. I'm the evil queen of the daughters of the heart. He's a girl? Yeah, it's my father as the queen. Yeah. And the hard parts. Yeah. And the spot. And that yeah. Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing out there? There we go. Oh, let's get to it. Oh, now the castle there. Whoa. That was huge. Let's go over there. Ew, that. It was late. The why there. The audience world is the Karate Black. Not for Donnelly Switch Store. Yeah, I believe. Yeah, I believe. You okay there? Yes. Pixels are there. It's Sinistrous. Sinistrous, you had it there. Oh, yeah. I've not seen this before. Yeah. Try to get here. I know this. Slingshot. Slingshot to attack us? Yes. Yeah. Okay. I'm going first because I'm not gonna take a house. What? Chewy! Oh no. Take webs this. Oh! Ah! No, I fell. What? Pew! Pew! Oh no, there comes another. That girl learned. Yeah, that. We'll watch. Okay, let's go a little later. Dory. missed. Oh, sounds a pill. He make it. No. No. Okay. Okay, babe. You sure you going there? Mhm. Okay, go. Whee! Oh, no! Oh, what was it calling it there? Let's fall under. You krill. There's no way they could help. Oh! Ow! 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 Oh no! We are carrying country everywhere. Woohoo! It's destroyed. Can't believe it. We're lost again. Yeah, Kingpin. We gotta fight Green Goblin. Oh, there was a vulnerable secret wing. I'm vulture you. Sinistra is defeated. Hey, you. What's your deal? Haha, don't crawl, Lou. Yeah. Okay, and this. But on your Chuck, why you do hello to our store? Oh, okay. Oh, you totally get started. Chuck, stop this. We will be friends forever. You're totally pretty good to Hipley. Okay. Alright. Alright. And now, friends forever. What a kid for Lisa. I guess Bully CD. Woo! Goodbye, Spider-Man. Yeah. Wait, what?